Hi everyone, this is Joanne for Bramble Fox. I could not be more excited about this. The October Fox box has arrived and it is exquisite. Now, fall is my favorite. I love absolutely everything about it. I love all of the colors and just the weather, and it's just so beautiful. So documenting anything fall, I'm all about. This loveliness is the October Fox box. And that is a monthly subscription in case you didn't know. And these are all exclusive to subscribers. You just sign up on the website. I'll link it below. And you get the monthly Fox box shipped to your house automatically every month. And it is wonderful. It's like getting a Christmas present every single month. I love it. So this month, the Fox box has all of these things. Look, autumn, let's go, adventures, the two navies, the perfect color for autumn mixed in with all the other colors. Life's Who with 4 wooden owls. Oh my goodness, golden days. And then there's tons of sentiments in this beautiful brown color, tan and orange. Crisp air, the beautiful life, splendid memory, truly blessed, heartwarming moments, all the colors, picture perfect. And this one is heart and home, and these little leaves in 3 different colors, and a golden days. I'm going to use these today, so I separated those out. And then if you want, there is a Fox Box Plus where you can get the regular Fox Box Plus. You get a stencil every month, and this month's stencil is very cool. It's got a lot of fall items on it as well as words. Super cool. And then the paper snips also come with the Fox Box Plus, and this is number 42. Look at these, they're so cute. I love them. Look at the little animals. That's my favorite. And these little circles here you can just punch out with your 1-inch punch. And then Bramble Fox has little epoxy flare covers that you can put right on it and make your own epoxy flare buttons, which is so cool. And these are super easy to fussy cut out. Okay, very easy. All right, so this time around we're going to do something a little different than usual. Outside of a 12 by 12 scrapbook layout, I have my annual fall album, and this is from 2022. And I haven't finished it yet, and I could not figure out what I wanted to do with the cover, so I left it knowing full well that there would be beautiful Bramble Fox coming up for this season. So I did a shaker and a frame. This is just a Simple Stories snapbook. I love it. It's so pretty, and it just has the pocket pages in it. And I just love doing this. I do a fall album every year. Okay, so that's what I have done so far. I'm not done. Now I get to finish my cover. So I just did some sequins, like I said, with some acetate, a Simple Stories frame. And I'm going to cover this up because I have some other things I really want to use with that. So here's all the supplies I'm going to use. Let me get my tweezers just in case. So what I'm thinking about doing is taking some ephemera, and I'm using the hip kits from last fall. I have some leaves here, and what is this, a gourd, I guess is what that's called. It doesn't really look like a pumpkin, so that must be what it is. Okay, so I have all my Bramble Fox things over here that I want to use. So let's get this set up. Now again, I want to cover this up because it doesn't really match with what I have going on. So let's make sure we get this in the right spots so I cover everything up properly. And then let's put this on top, this beautiful floral. That's looking good so far. Maybe if we tuck this under on the bottom. Okay, that's nice. Yep, there we go. All right, and then we have another leaf here that I can use to cover up that spot. And then let's bring in some green maybe over here, and that's raised up on the frame, so I'll have to put a foam square underneath there. But I think I need to put that underneath. Okay, let's let go and take a look at that. I'm liking it. It's beautiful. It goes really good with the rest of this. Then I'm thinking how adorable to take one of the Bramble Fox wooden owls, which I love, to make it look like he's sitting on his little branch coming out of this cluster. And then here is my title, and I think I want to put it right there. I think it'll look nice there. I could also put it there, but I'm liking it right here over to the side a little bit. Or I could put it up here too. I'm not sure which one I want to do. I have this sentiment from Bramble Fox that says heart and home. And I'm thinking about putting it on here somewhere, perhaps down here. And then I can just readjust these so that fits in there. That does look cute. I have this all glued down now. I didn't put foam squares behind anything just yet though, because I might be tucking some more things in, and I decided to put my title there. I changed my mind at the last second. I think it looks better there. I used glossy accents to adhere it to the frame, and then under here I put the strips of adhesive foam so it would be all level and it would give the perspective some support. I moved the one that says heart and home from up here down to here. I thought it looked better, and that's as far as we got so far. So I'm thinking to put my little cute owl in here. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. But wait a minute, I found these stickers. They're so pretty. They're gold foiled, and I picked out this leaf thinking, should I put one under here? Maybe not that one. Let's see what we can get underneath there. Maybe a longer one. These are pretty gentle, so I don't want to ruin them. So let me see about sneaking this in there. I think I'm gonna have to cut the tip off so I can slide it in easier. And then maybe put this here. Yep, that looks cute. Okay, let's do that. Then we can get our little owl down. I'm going to use glossy accents for him too, just because it is the cover and I want it to be very strong. I'm going to use my tweezers because I have butterfingers today. That's cute. Ugh, these are so adorable. And then I thought, why not use a second little wooden owl here? He's adorable. He's going to need a skinny foam square behind him. Okay, look how cute. Look how cute those owls are. Oh, I love them. I'm just going to tuck this right in here, just as a little extra something. I think if I can get it to not stick to my hand. All right, let's get that. Okay, I got it. Sometimes it's a struggle. Just for some extra gold. Now I have the other half of this. I don't want to waste it, so I thought perhaps I could just slide it right in here with the title perspective, and that would give that a little bit of bling. That's cute. And I think I want another one coming out right here. So I wonder if this would look good. Probably not. Could slide that in there though. That might look cute. Let's see if I can get it in there. Probably not. I grabbed my Pink Fresh Studio gold pearls and I put them on the cover already. I'm just going to use a little dab of the glossy accents. I have this gem picker, and that's also from Pink Fresh Studio. Pick those up, put those right on here, like so. And then let's do 3 here. 1, 2, and 3. And put those down. And then here, I think maybe right here, so we'll have like it go just around the cluster. Because I can very easily get carried away with too many Pink Fresh gems or sequins or enamel dots because I love them. And there we go. That is all done. And I think that we are going to call this finished. I do like it. Let me show you a close look at all that sparkle. Oh my goodness. I definitely need to fix that. I haven't adhered those down all the way. It's just not straight and I don't like it. So look at that. Oh my gosh. The wooden owls. Heart and Home sentiments. I love those. Golden Days title for my album. I'm loving this. Oh my goodness, I love it. It came out super cute. I'm so glad I waited to do my cover for this year's fall Bramble Fox perspectives, and that is so shiny. It's gonna look so pretty on my shelf. All right guys, I'll put some final pictures at the end for you, and I will link the Bramble Fox box below. If you have any questions about Bramble Fox, please do not hesitate to contact me. Thank you for stopping to see me. Bye.